Hello, and welcome to day 2 of our second week together. Today is Wednesday, February 17th. It is a Wednesday. That means there's asynchronous day. That means we will not meet on Zoom as a class. So let's see what we have to do for today. Always remember to go to Welcome Back Spring Semester. We are finished with week 1, so we are now in week 2, February 15th to the 19th. Monday, February 15th, we did not have class. We had class yesterday, Tuesday, February 16th, which was day 1, and now day 2 is Wednesday, February 17th. So remember, always watch the video first, then you click async. You have 2 activities in async today. The first one is change agent, and you will read an article and answer a question. It is very important that you read everything before you begin. Okay, my friends, read everything before you begin. All right, so you're going to read an article, and here is the audio for the article so you can listen and read at the same time. You are going to answer a question. What are the benefits and challenges with technology with Marlene's family versus with us in 2021? All right, that is the question you'll answer after reading this and reflecting on your own experience. You have 2 ways that you can answer. You can type your answer in the comment section. If you choose to do this, you write a paragraph, at least 4 sentences. You can also record your answer as an audio or video. So after you read and you think about your answer, you can come here and type in the comment box. Type. Remember to check for spelling, or as I mentioned yesterday, type in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Do grammar and spell check there, and then copy and paste here in the comment section. Or you can do audio where you only speak your answer, or you do audio and video where you can speak and we can see your face. All right, remember when you activate it, it'll ask you if you can use the microphone. Always allow. All right, if you're having any trouble, you can always reach me and then post your answer. Your second activity is a fragment and sentence review. So yesterday you guys did a Nearpod on sentences and fragments. So you'll do a quick review today with a fun game. So you click on quiz and you will type your name. Please type your first and last name and you click start. Okay, click start and then you'll start playing. You just see the question and you select the correct answer. And then I will see you guys tomorrow. That's it for day 2, Wednesday, February 17th. Good luck.